Let me take this opportunity to welcome you back to this other session of ours. And now in this lesson, we are going to look at genetic disorders. So we are saying that this is an inherited condition that develops when a mutation affects an individual gene. That these conditions are due to mutations which occur in the genes of an individual. We are saying that there are no medical treatment for such conditions since they are genetically determined. So since these genetic disorders are genetically determined, there is no medical no medical conditions for them. And from there, one of the genetic disorders I want us to look about is albinism. And we are saying that albinism is caused by a mutation in one of the several genes involved in production or distribution of a pigment called what? Called melanin. So if this mutation occurs in several genes that are responsible for production of melanin. Remember, melanin is responsible for making our skins look dark, not so. But if these genes are mutated, what happens? The pigment called melanin will not be produced. Then from there, we can go ahead and say that the defects may result in the absence or reduced amount of what? Melanin. This can be the result when these genes fail to do what? To produce melanin. Then from there, now the defective genes passes down from, we are saying that the defective gene passes down from both parents to the what? To the child, leading to albinism. Now, how can one acquire this condition? We are saying that it must be from both what? Both parents. Therefore, these parents must be heterozygous, or they must be what? Carriers for this condition, for this condition. Now, one gene is passed from the parent and the other one is from the what? One is passed from the female, and the other one is passed from the male what? The male parent. And when a random fusion occurs, the F1 offspring automatically will be an albino. So we are saying that the defective gene passes down from both parents to the child, leading to albinism. I hope there we are together. So from there, let's look at the symptoms. Now these ones are the symptoms of albinism. Let's look at the symptoms of albinism. We are saying that one, we are beginning with this symptoms of albinism. We are saying that absence of color in the hair. So when you look at an albino, there is no color. Remember, our hairs are black. The hair is what? Black. But when you look at that of an individual, that color is not there. You get? Then from there, what we can look at, number 2 is the skin or eyes. These people's eyes or skin are lighter than the normal coloring. We are saying that they are lighter than the normal coloring of the hair, skin, or eyes. When you look at, for example, like in the genetics, like in the questions, these questions of new curriculum, what they do, they can say somebody was having, somebody can say pink eyes, white hairs, what. That is an indication that that genetic crossing is about what? Is about to albino or albinism. Then the third one is this. We are saying that the patches of skin that have an absence of color. These people have got some patches on their skin which have no color at all. Then The last one, the last symptom, we are saying that these people have what we are calling vision problem. They have poor vision sights. Those are some of the symptoms, or what you can look at to know that this person is suffering from what? From albinism. We said one is the absence of color in the hair, then 2, skin or eyes are lighter than the normal coloring of the hair, skin or eyes. Then 3, we are saying that the patches of skin that have an absence of color. And lastly, we are talking about what? The vision problems. Then from there, let's look at some of the treatments, because we say that there is no medical treatment for this, but let's look at some of the treatments. Now treatment, we are saying no known medical cure yet for genetic disorders. But one, how can we care for this in case you're a victim? Now what you should do, let's say 1, wearing protective clothes, i.e. the long sleeves, the white brimmed hats. So you should always put on those hats and wearing protective clothes. These are long sleeves. Remember, these people's skin is mainly affected by anything, sunlight, what. So what you should do to avoid any harm or danger, you should wear protective clothing. That is 1. 2, wearing UV protective sunglasses. Remember, this is what we say that in the symptoms they have we say that they have vision problems. So to overcome that, these people should wear UV protective sunglasses, shielding their eyes and skin from sun exposure. Remember, these people, we say that they don't have melanin in their skins. So what happens if you don't have melanin in your skin? Actually, you are highly affected by the radioactive rays from the what? From the sun. Then from there we can say we have finished this one, that one. Then we are on regular visits to the dermatologist for skin checkup to detect any skins of skin damage. They should go for regular checkups for their skins from the what? Or to the dermatologists. Yeah, those people who help them to check, those people who checks the skins are called what? Dermatologists. So these people are encouraged to go and do the skin checking every after. Then from there we can say ensuring your number 4, ensuring that students with the albinism are seated in well lit areas but away from direct sunlight. Now this goes to schools. If you have such people in your school, what you should do, you should ensure that these students sit in a well lit areas but away from direct sunlight. Then another one we can talk about is number 5. We are saying joining support groups can help albinos connect with others who share similar experiences. Let these people join the other groups, can help albinos connect with the others, or supportive groups. This can help albinos connect with others who share similar experiences. Then lastly we can say educating the community about albinism can reduce the stigma and promote understanding and what? Acceptance. So we should educate the what? The community about these albinos. So allow me end here. I wish you the best. Let's meet today the other genetic disorder.